Let's see this. Susinda lends 1000 rupees every year to a man at a rate of 5% simple interest per annum. What will be the total amount she gets after 3 years? So they are saying that Susinda is lending 1000 rupees every year. So first year, let's say second year, and then third year, right? Susinda is lending 1000 rupees every year. So 1000 rupees she is giving here, as well as 1000 rupees she is giving here, and 1000 rupees she is giving here. So by the end, how much is she going to get? So one thing is for sure, whatever she is lending, she is supposed to get it back. Therefore all the principals put together, 3000 she is going to get back. Now on every 1000 for 1 year, she is earning an interest of 5%, right? Therefore 5% on 1000 is 50 rupees. Got it? So this first 1000 is going to earn 50 rupees every year, which means 50 here, 50 here, 50 here. Therefore 150 for the first 1000, right? So 150 for the first 1000, and the second one is this one, right? So this one is going to earn 50 here and 50 here, right? For the first year and second year. Now it is going to be 100, and for the third one, only for 1 year it is invested, therefore 50. So this is the total interest we are going to get. This is the total principal and this is the total interest. Therefore you are going to get 300 rupees, right? So it is 3300 is what she is going to get after 3 years. Got it? So what is the other way of solving it? You can assume that 1000 is invested for a period of 3 years at a rate of 5% per annum. Then you can write it as the amount that you get because of this 1000 equal to P into 1 plus RT by 100. So what is R? R is given as 5% per annum, right? So at a rate of 5% simple interest per annum. Per annum is given. Now how many years is it invested for? 3 years. So 3 into 5 by 100, right? So if you see this, it is going to give you 1150. Now what does it mean? This 1000 has earned an interest of 150 rupees. That is what I gave you here. Got it? Now what about the second one? The second one is invested for 2 years, isn't it? At a rate of 5% per annum. So 1 plus 2 into 5 divided by 100. So you are going to get 10% on this. So if you compute it, you are going to get it as 1100. If you compute this one. So what does it mean? On the second 1000 you are going to get an interest of 100. That is what I have written here. 100, right? And what about the third one? Third one is invested only for 1 year, right? So how much is invested? 1000. So 1000 into 1 plus 5 by 100. Now if you see this, you are going to get 1050. This one. So what does it mean? On the third 1000 you are going to get 50 rupees. Anyway, you have to add all these three, and you are going to get the total amount as the same one, 3300. Either you go in that method or this method, both are same. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply. And statement of purpose building. and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.